Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can use a leg lifter to help yourself or somebody you love at home getting in and out of bed, getting in and out of a car, anything like that. Typically, when we see a patient in the clinic after surgery, maybe it's a total knee replacement, maybe a hip replacement or something of the like, we'll use one of these. We'll issue one of these so that the client can hook it around the foot using their hand inside the loop, the other hand on the long guide. They're going to use it to lift the leg either extended up into a bed maybe, or back down. Or if they're trying to get into a car, you can also pull the foot in toward you, requiring some flexion through the knee. So patients will use this, clients will use this to assist in a heel slide action. They'll use this to assist getting in and out of the car. It's just a really handy device. This particular one, it's got a rigid frame. The loop stays open because of the metal interior. It's a canvas on the outside, but we've been using these for a long time. It helps a lot of clients, and I think it's a great device.